Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, I love you all, and to my new ones, my love and big hugs goes out to you too. Today we are talking about hair dyes and toxic chemicals in hair dyes and how they can impact or affect our life negatively. So today let's talk about hair dyes. Like I said, hair dyes is a trending lifestyle for many decades among celebrities and a lot of individuals. So understanding the potential health risk of hair dye involves knowing which chemicals to watch out for. So in this video, I will be listing some of the common toxic chemicals found in many hair dyes production that could pose significant health risk. By being informed, you can make safer choice for your hair care routine today. So let's go there and talk about it. Yes, the first one we'll be talking today is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is widely used in hair dyes for its bleaching properties. It can also cause moisture loss, dryness, cuticle damage, scalp irritation, and unpredictable color change in our hair. So prolonged exposure can lead to hair breakage and split ends, making hair brittle and difficult to manage. It can also cause scalp burns if used improperly. The second one we'll be talking about today is ammonia. Ammonia, as we know, is used in hair dyes to open the hair cuticles, allowing the dyes to penetrate deeper into the hair shaft. However, it can cause several health issues because exposure to ammonia can cause irritation and respiratory systems problem, and also can trigger asthma symptoms. It can also lead to fluid buildup in the lungs, that is pulmonary edema and bronchitis. It's also advisable for us, if you are doing anything to have you got contaminated or close to ammonia, always use a mask. The third one we'll be talking today is ethanolamine. Ethanolamine, or we can call it MEA or monoethanolamine, is often used as an alternative to ammonia in some hair dye because it has a less pungent odor and is perceived to be gentler on the scalp. But however, using MEA cause sometimes a lot of more hair damage over times, causing hair losses and even causes some skin issues like dermatitis. Additionally, MEA is linked to oxidative stress, which can harm cells in your body. It can also be toxic to human keratinocytes, the cells that makes up most of your skin, including the scalp. We are leading to the first one. The fourth one is, you can call it PPD or p-phenylalanine. This PPD is widely used as a coloring agent in many hair dyes. This toxic hair dye chemical is especially common in darker shades. However, PPD can cause irritation to the skin and eyes and may also trigger asthma symptoms. In some severe instances, exposure to PPD can lead to dizziness, that is vertigo, or convulsion and even coma. Repeated use of this product that is containing PPD can make the skin more sensitive, increasing the likelihood of allergic reaction over time. Additionally, studies have shown that PPD can disrupt hormone function and alter genetic material, which could potentially raise the risk of cancer. The fifth one is lead acetate. Lead acetate is used in some dark hair dyes and is linked to anemia and neurological problem. It is known toxins to the brain, which is so concerning since these chemicals sit on your scalp. Researchers have shown that lead acetate can cause significant health issues with prolonged exposure. We should be careful about that. Sixth one is resocinol. Resourcinol is a common coloring agent used in the hair dye because it helps achieve long-lasting vibrant color. However, it's important to be aware of its potential health and environmental impact it causes. Resourcinol has been linked to hormone disruption which can affect various bodily functions. Additionally, it has been shown to cause central nerve system disturbance and change in red blood cells in animals too as well, not only human. Beyond personal health concern, resourcinol is hazardous to the environment, particularly to aquatic life. And we are going to the seventh one. This is DMDM, that is hydantoin and formaldehyde. Why do we say hydantoin and formaldehyde? In order for many hair dyes to survive on your hair, they must first survive on the scalp. Yes, so because of that, DMDM or hydantoin is a preservative used in hair dyes. It can cause skin irritation, allergic reaction, and immunotoxicity. Additionally, DMDM hydantoin release small amount of formaldehyde consistently. Formaldehyde exposure is associated with eye, nose, and throat irritation, shortness of breath, wheezing, and an increased risk of asthma. So, it is also known causing a problem of carcinogen. So, we should wear a mask if you are working with any product with that. Also remember that this DMDM that produces formaldehyde, that formaldehyde is a product used for preservative of dead animals, which is also used in mortuaries for preserving of corpses. So you should be aware and be careful for your life. Parabens are also commonly used in hair dyes and other cosmetic products as preservatives to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and mold. However, they pose significant health risk. Scientific studies suggest that parabens can disrupt hormone function by mimicking estrogen, which can lead to reproductive harm, affect birth outcomes, and increase the risk of breast cancer in women. Men doesn't have breasts, it's women that have that problem, so women should be aware of that. Additionally, parabens can cause skin irritation and allergic reaction, making them a concern for both short-term and long-term health. We are going to the ninth one, which is heavy metals. Heavy metals, for example, like lead, cadmium, mercury, can sometimes be found as impurity in hair dyes. These materials often end up in hair dyes due to contamination during the manufacturing process or from the raw materials used in manufacturing these hair dyes. These heavy metals pose significant health risk. For example, lead exposure is closely linked to the neurotoxicity and developmental issues. Beyond lead, cadmium and mercury can cause anemic, vomiting, autoimmune diseases, neurotoxicity, and endocrine disruption. Limit your use of hair dyes to minimize your exposure to all these heavy metals and other harmful chemicals. So in view of this video, we have understand the effects some of these dyes, these hair dyes that have these chemicals can cause to us and can pose to our life. The question is, what are we going to do? Are we going to stop dyeing our hair? Exactly not. Because of that, I have made plans to bring to us a solution to this. In my next video, I will teach you ways to dye and color your hairs without chemicals. So, for you to be able to get this video or be the first to get it when it's available, click the subscribe button below and also click the thumbs up button if you enjoy the video. Share to others to remain healthy and make good choices in their lifestyle. Finally, make a comment and let us know what you think about the topic and your honest review. Thank you and see you in my next video. Cheers.